But let's go across to Maharashtra now, which has recorded the highest single-day jump in the number of coronavirus cases and fatalities. And like I said, they've crossed the 1 lakh mark when it comes to COVID cases. Saurav Gupta now joins us. Saurav, though, especially worrying in Maharashtra is the fact that I think it's been 2 consecutive days or 2 days in a row where we've seen 97 deaths, so much so that the government is now bringing in the use of a drug that's still undergoing trials in the world over. What is this drug and what are its pros and cons?
Well, you know, Remdesivir is something that is being touted as a success against the COVID-19 battle. It's one of those drugs that, has been patented in the US by a US company, Gilead. And what you have in India is some companies that have the patent license but are not yet manufacturing in India. Now, what Maharashtra is doing that, so far this drug, it's not like it's not been administered in these few days. It was allowed on grounds of compassion and emergency. So some people who've been able to procure the drug have been administered it, and the drug has been procured from Bangladesh. But now what the Maharashtra government is doing is to procure 3,000 vials of Remdesivir from Bangladesh and distribute it evenly among the 18 medical colleges in the state. What it will then do is give it to people who need it. And who needs it? Well, people whose oxygen saturation falls. And that's something that perhaps has been one of the reasons that have pushed COVID-19 cases into critical cases. And what Maharashtra doesn't have is infrastructure for critical cases. They have built these COVID centers, which are centers that can handle. So obviously this will be a step and it will help people from dying. It's a life-saving drug in Maharashtra.